Dad is cooking tonight. I smell something burning.
Dinner is. Ready?
Dad, this pizza is black. Maybe we can scrape off the burnt part?
I forgot to set the timer.
Oh, Jack, you burnt another pizza?
Cooking is hard. I am not good at it.
I have an idea. What if we learn to make real pizza?
Real pizza? Like from a restaurant?
Better. Pizza from Italy, the home of pizza.
Italy? The country shaped like a boot?
Yes! We are going to Italy!
Italy! Italy!
Maybe I can learn to cook there.
How about a competition? We all make pizza. Best pizza wins.
A competition? I will win.
No way, Dad. I will win.
Me too. My pizza will be the best.
Then it is settled. The pizza quest begins!
Look, the land looks like a puzzle. It says Italy invented pizza and pasta and gelato.
I am ready to learn. This time, no burning.
We will see, Daddy. Everything looks so old and beautiful.
Rome is almost 3,000 years old. One of the oldest cities.
What is that round building? It is huge.
That is the Colosseum. I saw it in movies.
It is so tall. How did they build this?
The Romans built this 2,000 years ago without machines.
No machines? No cranes?
Just people. Thousands of people working together.
These stones are older than anything I have ever seen.
1, 2, 3. There are so many arches.
The Colosseum has 80 arches on each level. It could hold 50,000 people. Say it with me.
U-M. Colosseum. Colosseum.
In ancient times, gladiators fought here. Like this.
Daddy, you look silly. Mom, what is gelato?
Gelato is Italian ice cream, but creamier and softer.
It is so creamy. Mine is chocolate. It is rich and smooth.
I ate too fast. Cold.
Slow down, Jack. Taste it slowly. When food is good, we say it is delicious. Delizioso in Italian. Say it with me.
Z-O-So. Delizioso. Delizioso. Where are the cars? Where are the roads?
Venice has no roads, only water. People travel by boat.
A whole city on water? That is so cool.
Look at those long boats. They are beautiful.
Those are gondolas, traditional Venice boats. Say it with me. Gondola. Gondola.
Gondola. It is shaky. Don't fall, don't fall.
Sit in the middle. Hold on tight.
The buildings are pink and orange and yellow. Venice is like a painting. Every corner is beautiful. The water is green. Why is it green?
The water reflects the buildings. It looks green and blue.
Sul mare luccica l'astro d'argento, placida è l'onda pro.
His voice is so pretty. Look up, a bridge. Hello. Ciao. My tummy is making noises again.
Me too. I am getting hungry.
Does that mean pizza time? Yes.
Time for the pizza quest. Let's find our cooking class.
This is it. My chance to make a perfect pizza.
You can do it, Daddy. Just don't burn it.
No burning this time. I promise.
Pizza. Scuola? What does scuola mean?
Scuola means school. Pizza school.
Hello and welcome to the Italiana Cooking School. Please, come inside.
Look at his big hat.
That is a chef hat. It shows he is a cooking expert.
Teach me, please. I burn everything.
Please, come inside. Welcome to my home. It is warm by the oven.
So many things. Flour, tomatoes, cheese.
Flour for the dough, tomatoes for the sauce, cheese on top.
First, we mix the flour and water. Mix means stir together.
Say it with me. Mix, knead, roll, spread, bake.
Mix, knead, roll, spread, bake.
I am ready. Let's do this. And bam! That's how you flatten the dough.
Awesome.
Mix slowly, not too fast.
This is harder than it looks. The flour is everywhere.
I am mixing. I am a mixing machine.
Daddy, you look like a snowman.
Oops. Maybe slower is better.
Now we knead. Push and fold. Push and fold.
Push and fold. Like this?
Perfect, Noah. Keep going.
It is sticking to my hands.
Add a little flour. That helps.
Whoa! Come back, dough!
Now we roll. Make it flat and round.
Round like a circle. It won't get flat.
Gentle pressure. Roll from the center.
Look! Mine is a heart.
Flat! Get flat! That!
Dad? Yours looks like a cloud.
It is artistic. Abstract pizza.
Now we spray the sauce. red and smooth. Tomato sauce is tangy. A little sour, a little sweet.
Spread, spread, spread. I want sauce in every corner.
More sauce means more flavor.
Jack, that might be too much. Now the cheese. Mozzarella is soft and creamy.
Mmm, the cheese is yummy.
Lily, cheese goes on the pizza, not in your mouth.
Sorry, Mommy. Perfect spacing.
More cheese. Cheese Mountain.
It will be delicious. Trust the chef.
Basil is fresh and fragrant. It smells like summer.
It smells like the garden. I am adding olives, salty and chewy.
I will add everything. Olives, mushrooms, peppers, ham.
Jack, less is more sometimes.
This is my masterpiece.
The oven is very hot. 400 degrees. Pizza cooks fast.
I can see them cooking. The cheese is melting. Is it ready yet?
2 more minutes. Be patient.
Please don't burn. Please don't burn.
They are ready. Mom's pizza looks like a restaurant pizza. Noah's looks yummy too.
Lily, your heart pizza is so cute.
Daddy, what happened?
I don't understand. I added so many good things.
Too many toppings. The middle could not cook. The edges burned.
I failed again. The pizza quest is over for me.
It is okay, Daddy. You tried your best. Here, Dad. Try mine.
We can share.
Thank you, son. You are a good boy.
Fresh from the oven.
They look delicious.
I can't wait to try the pepperoni.
Good pizza is crispy on the outside, soft on the inside.
The olives are salty. Mmm, the cheese is melty. Delicioso.
Cheesy. It's delicious.
It is crunchy and soft at the same time, in a bad way.
Daddy, try my heart pizza. It is made with love.
Lily, this is actually delicious.
I win the pizza quest.
The heart shape made it extra special.
I will keep practicing. One day, I will make good pizza.
We believe in you, Dad.
What did we learn in Italy?
Pizza is yummy and hard to make. The Colosseum is very old, and Venice has no roads.
I learned that more is not always better. Simple is good.
Let's remember what we learned in Italy. Mix. Stir things together. Knead. Push and fold the dough. Roll. Make it flat and thin. Spread. Cover with sauce.
Bake. Cook in the oven. Delizioso. Delicious.
Do you like pizza? Tell us in the comments. What toppings do you like?
Subscribe to cook with us again.
Click the bell. And don't burn your pizza like me.
Arrivederci.
That means goodbye in Italian.